Hi, I'm the Scouting Woodworker, and on today's show we're wiring lights. Stay tuned. So before we start, I've made sure to poke my wires through the holes in the ceiling that I've already cut, so it makes wiring up the lights a lot easier. See my previous video on installing the ceiling and on how to wire the van to see a bit before this. So I've gone on Amazon, and what I've done is I've purchased some cheap LED spots, 6 to be precise. They're about 30 quid. I'll put a link in the description below to what ones I've got, and they run off the 12 volt, and you've got a positive cable marked with a black line, a dotted black line, and a negative cable which is solid white. And then I'm going to connect this up to my wiring already in place, put a fuse in the line and go straight to the battery. Here's what I made earlier. I've installed it in a bit of scrap wood and 4-way stretch. Got the wires on the back. Now let's go ahead and install the 6 spots. I've now wired up my lights. I've used crimps to attach the wires. There are these little red things here and a crimp tool. Basically you put the wire in the end and you crimp it down. I got 3 sets of 2. So if I put the switch on, these 2 lights will come on, or those 2 lights come on, or these 2 lights will come on. This is the switch. So, one wire from this light goes into this light, and then around to the switch. So, positive to positive to positive, and then negative to negative to negative. That's as simple as I can put it. Now it's a case of feeding these wires up. And pushing it into place. And then I've wired up temporary to my cigarette lighter just to test it out. Voila! And then we can see from the outside the 6 lights. So they can operate on a 2-2-2 basis, and I'm going to have a 3-way switch. I think they come out quite well. So, I'm quite pleased with that. They're currently linked up to my 12 volt cigarette lighter. I will do a future video on how I link them up to the actual battery, but this is just so I get some light in here and I can see how it works. If you like that video, give me a thumbs up, give me comments below, and until next time, goodbye.